Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple third-person controller in Godot 4. In this tutorial, we will get the character moving and get it to face the right direction. We will import the character. We will drag in the model with the model folder highlighted. When the model appears, we will double-click it. This is a little character I made for a game jam. You can download it from OpenGameArt. I will put a link below. We will loop the idle and walk animations, which we will use later. Select the animation, and under loop mode, select linear. Press Re-import. We will right-click it and select New Inherited Scene. We will save this as a scene under Characters. We will create a new 3D scene. Change the type to Character Body 3D and name it Hero. We will right-click Hero and choose Instantiate Child Scene and choose the character scene we just made. We will scale the character down to 0.3. Add a collision shape. We'll use a capsule shape. Add a spring arm. We will add a camera as a child of the spring arm. We will move the spring arm up and away from the character. Rotate it down a little. We will attach a script to the player. We will use the new template in Godot 4 that has most of the code written for us. When you attach a script to a character body 3D, the template will appear here as default. As recommended, we will add custom gameplay actions. We will go to Project, then to Project Settings, then Input Map, and add our actions. We will add forward, backward, left, right, and jump. We will press plus, then type in the keys we want to use. We are using WASD to move and space for jump. We will change the action names in the script to the ones we just created. We will add the ready function to the script. And add springarm3d.addExcludedObject self. We will add the character to a little scene I have set up. We will need a ground with a static body for the character to collide with. If we run the scene right now, it works, but the character is not turning to face the direction it's moving. To fix this, we will add this line of code. Character.lookAt position plus direction vector3.up. Now when we run it, he is facing the direction we want. If you want him to move faster, you can change the speed, and if you want him to jump higher or lower, you can change the jump velocity. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to add the appropriate animations when moving, jumping, and idle with an animation tree. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like or comment below. Subscribe for more Godot 4 content.